Alright, in my video today I'm going to introduce you to OpenBOM production planning and inventory management. To manage efficient purchasing is extremely important for manufacturing companies, but I found many companies do a really bad job in this space. The foundation of the problem is the generation of Excel files from CAD system and sending it to procurement. It just creates too many mistakes to make it efficient. Large companies can use both PLM and ERP system to solve the problem, but the solution really works only for large companies. OpenBOM brings a unique solution to this space, which covers both worlds. The first, engineering and design. The second, production and procurement. The foundation of this solution is OpenBOM data management platform, available online. And the solution contains three elements. The first element is the OpenBOM catalog, which is a database for all items. OpenBOM catalog contains information about items such as part number, manufacturer, vendor, stock information, cost, everything you need to maintain a single source of truth about your items. The second element of the solution is OpenBOM CAD in that allows you to extract data from CAD systems and create engineering BOM. OpenBOM CAD add-ins allows you to keep this engineering BOM in sync, so every changes that are made in design will be automatically synchronized and updated in engineering BOM. The third element of the solution is OpenBOM Order BOM. Order BOM is a tool that allows you to scale engineering BOM to the number of units in productions and create the complete purchasing list with all information, vendor, quantity required, quantity gaps, so you have everything to create purchase order list or request for quotations, RFQs. So check OpenBOM training library to learn more about OpenBOM design to purchasing solution. And if you didn't start your 14-day trial, do it now. You will learn design to purchasing in OpenBOM in a step-by-step instruction by following OpenBOM training courses. So I hope you will really like it, and it will be very helpful to improve your processes. And I will talk to you in the next video.